Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Login It. In this video, I will guide you on how to change background in Messenger on PC. So if you want to change background in Messenger, follow these simple steps and you'll be able to do it. First of all, open any browser of your choice. Here I'm opening Google Chrome. Click on the search bar and type www.messenger.com. Press enter. Now your Messenger will be opened. Make sure you're logged into your account. If you're not logged into your account, simply enter your email address and password and you'll be logged into Messenger account. So now select the chat of whose you want to change the background. Here you can see I've already selected this chat. Now all you have to do is click on the three dots that you can see at the top right corner. Here you can see four options: chat info, customize chat, media files and links, privacy and support. So if you click on customize chat, you'll see three options: change theme, change emoji and edit nicknames. All you have to do is click on change theme. Now here you can see several amount of themes over here. If you click on the theme, you can also see the preview over here. Scroll down to see more options. Preview the themes. Select the theme that you like the best. Now click on select option that you can see over here. Now you can see here the theme has been changed and our background has also been changed. So that is how you change the background in Messenger on PC. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.